Hi everyone, I am Nikita, your VARC mentor. Let's talk about some habits that can keep you ahead in your preparation. Okay, so first is read consistently, right? For your reading comprehension passages, even for your verbal ability section, it's very important that you read from newspapers, from magazines. Don't leave this thinking that okay, I'm solving RC passages so I don't need to read. Solve consistently. And I'm not just talking about RC passages from different genres. I'm talking about quantitative aptitude questions. I'm talking about LRDI sets. So you have to be consistent in your solving of questions. Be dynamic. Okay, so whatever you learn from your previous mistakes, incorporate them in the next mock. Otherwise, what's the point, right? And when you take subsequent mocks, successive mocks, you'll realize what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. So improve upon your strengths, right? Capitalize on them, and let let's try that your weaknesses don't remain your weaknesses. And yes, whenever it is required, go back to the basics, go back to the technique to revise, to have a hang of the concept that is involved. Okay, so if you follow these 4 habits, I'm sure that you will stay ahead in your preparation and you'll perform very well. All the best.